Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME C73 and let me share with you how to reset app preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Then let's tap on Reset Phone and tap on Reset App Preferences. So here your device is informing you what it will actually reset, so among others disabled app notifications and any permission restrictions. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so simply tap on Reset and basically this is it. Alright, so that will be all. Hello. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.